Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use trailing stop loss in Robinhood. A trailing stop loss order helps protect your profits by automatically adjusting its trigger price as your stock's value increases. It's designed to limit your potential losses while allowing you to capture gains. This dynamic order type is a valuable tool for managing risk in volatile markets, ensuring you don't lose too much if the price suddenly drops. Setting up a trailing stop loss in Robinhood is straightforward. First, open your Robinhood app and select the stock you wish to protect. Tap the Trade button, then choose Sell. From the Order Types menu, select Trailing Stop Order. You will then enter your desired trailing stop percentage, such as 3%, which defines how much the price can fall before the order triggers. Choosing the right trailing percentage is crucial for effective risk management. A smaller percentage, like 2%, offers tighter protection but might trigger a sale too soon during minor fluctuations. A larger percentage, such as 10%, gives the stock more room to move but exposes you to greater potential losses. Consider the stock's typical volatility and your personal risk tolerance when making your decision. Using a trailing stop loss allows you to lock in gains without constantly monitoring the market. It helps manage risk by preventing significant price declines from eroding your profits. This strategy provides peace of mind, knowing your investments are protected even when you're not actively watching. For more great financial insights, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other valuable deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.